TIG Aluminum Welding Basic Tutorials. Welcome to this basic TIG aluminum welding lesson. TIG, tungsten inert gas, welding is a method of heating and melting metal that uses a non-consumable tungsten anode. Instead of melting the electrode, a shielding gas is used to safeguard the weld region from contaminants and provide the required conditions for welding. Aluminum is a metal that is extensively used in many sectors, including aerospace, automotive, and building. It's a lightweight, long-lasting, and corrosion-resistant substance that requires exact welding methods to guarantee a powerful, clean weld. In this lesson, we will go over the fundamentals of TIG aluminum welding, such as safety precautions, required tools, and step-by-step directions to learn everything there is to know about welding aluminum, from the various kinds of welding to general success advice. So, let's get started. Safety measures. First and foremost, when welding, protection should be your top concern. Wear safety apparel, such as a welding mask, gloves, and a long-sleeved blouse, at all times. To avoid inhaling toxic fumes, ensure your workplace is well ventilated. To prevent electrical dangers, make sure your equipment is correctly grounded. Equipment required. To commence TIG aluminum welding, you'll need a few basic tools and supplies, including TIG welder. You'll need a TIG welder with an AC/DC power source that can weld metal. Tungsten electrode. Use a 2% thoriated tungsten anode for aluminum welding. Filler rod. Use an aluminum filler rod that fits the alloy of your product. Argon gas is the most frequently used protective gas for TIG welding. Sharpen your tungsten electrode with a grinding tool before soldering. Step-by-step instructions. Now that we've covered the necessary safety precautions and tools, let's get into the step-by-step directions for TIG aluminum welding. Step 1. Get your desk ready. Make sure your workplace is well ventilated and free of flammable items. Make sure your TIG welder is correctly grounded. Step 2. Get your object ready. Remove any grime, grease, or debris from your workpiece with a wire brush. Remove any residual impurities with a solvent. Step 3. Sharpen your tungsten wire. Sharpen your tungsten electrode to a point with a honing tool. Check that it is upright and free of contamination. Step 4. Prepare your TIG welder. Choose the best tungsten anode, voltage, and gas flow for your job. Connect the TIG welder to the argon gas line. Step 5. Place your product. Position your workpiece so that it is easy to solder and is oriented correctly for the intended weld connection. Step 6. Begin soldering. Start soldering with your TIG welder. While moving the tungsten electrode and filler shaft, maintain a constant pace and inclination. Step 7. Insert infill aluminum. Filler metal should be added as required while welding to ensure a robust and clean weld connection. Step 8. Complete and tidy up. Turn off your TIG welder and allow the object to settle after you've finished welding. Remove any slag or extra filling metal with a wire brush. Conclusion. That's all there is to it. You can learn TIG aluminum welding with the right safety precautions, equipment, and step-by-step directions. Thank you for viewing this fundamental TIG aluminum welding tutorial. We trust you found it useful and educational. If you have any questions or comments, please share them in the comments area below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more welding lessons and advice. To receive alerts for our newest videos, click the bell icon. Practice is essential if you want to enhance your TIG aluminum soldering abilities. Continue to practice and experiment with various welding methods to perfect your skill.